going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com. I have a new site I want to bring to you. It's called Coinsrewarder. I will leave the link to it in the description. Just a typical get paid to site. Just another one I kind of stumbled across on that you can make some money with. Just kind of give you a breakdown on this site. First, you can see in my balance I have not $21. I wish it was $21, but that's 21.82. That is 21 cents. Every 100 points equals $1 on this site. You can see here the recent activity, what people are doing as far as making money with it. Just kind of go into basically the home page and where you're making money at. They have different offer walls you can choose from. Some of them have surveys in it. Just really depends on what you want to do. But right here, pretty much all the popular, offer walls. AdGate, Peanut Labs, AdSense Media, Offerturo. Those are some of my favorite ones to use. They also have a section here, apps, where I guess you can kind of download different apps. It'll kind of show you, which ones that are actually in here. As far as the offer walls, where you can download. They have the pay to click section, where basically with these, you just, click on the ads and just, get credited for it. Like if I click on PTC wall, see what ads they have available for that. Doesn't like to have any for that one. So right now, well, let me go back to another one. Let me see. Get back. Go to ad click wall, see what they have on that one. So you see here, ad click wall, different ones you can click on. They don't pay a lot, but it's just, that's basically just click on an ad. So I don't expect the ad section to go crazy as far as the payment. That's just, something that you do just for a little extra few points. Usually I click on ads and I'm just a little bit away from the cash out threshold. So I think they have another one you can do, going back to clicks wall, see what they have on this one. So kind of the same thing, just a few ads you can click on. Not a lot, obviously, but that's just the ad section. So I think, some people like doing that just because it's super easy and, over time your balance will build up. But when it comes to, making real money with this get paid to site, and really any get paid to site, most of your money is going to come from surveys and offers. And I think a lot of people get caught up in, offers. I mean, surveys are really hard, but offers are really easy if you really just look at what they're asking you to do. So there you have it. It's not a lot to actually go over, just because a lot of these things are just, typical and average on most sites. But just bringing it to your attention, if you want to be able to use it, it's completely free. Like I said, there are different offer walls you can choose from. You can click on ads, you can make a little money with it, and you can cash out at a minimum of $1. So let's actually go to the redeem points and see what you can actually get for your money. You see here the iTunes, Google Play Store gift card, Steam, Amazon, PayPal. So let's start with the Amazon, because I think Amazon and PayPal are the ones that most people go for. So looking at that, the minimum, it will cost you 100 points and you would get a profit of 0 points for doing that one. But if you want to go to the $5 Amazon, you only have to pay 475 points. So basically you're kind of profiting 25 points. And I like when sites offer, this kind of a discount thing, because you don't really see this a lot in a lot of different sites. But, for this one, they're offering that because it's kind of like you can, a discount. You kind of make money and, cash out at the same time. So the higher you go, the higher your profit becomes. So basically, if you want to get $50 Amazon gift card, you only need to pay $40 with your points, so 4,000 points. So let's see about PayPal. They probably don't offer the same thing in PayPal. It's pretty much straight up, but let's take a look at it anyway. So for here, it says the minimum redemption value is $1, and there is a fee of 4.4% and 30 cents that will be deducted from the final amount. So if you're going to decide to cash out at $1, you're looking at about, I would say, that's what, 4 cents. So basically about 34 cents in fees. Not really a fan of that. So I think if you're going to cash out, you probably want to use, you might want to wait to get, more over $1, or probably kind of like in the $5 range. Or, you can decide you want to go to some of these other ones. I think the Amazon gift card feature, as far as cashing out, that's probably my best option, just because I use Amazon a lot. I use PayPal, but just the fees here, I'm not really a fan of that. I don't really like that. I think if you cash out at a minimum of $1, you should get $1 in your PayPal account. I mean, I think just the fees are just kind of crazy here, but they have other ones you can choose from as far as the gift card. So just kind of, whatever fits you, whatever, is best for you, that's what you should pick. So again, I just wanted to bring these guys to your attention. I'll leave a link to it in the description. You can sign up. It's completely free. Get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts.
If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.